Introducing the exquisite 2020 Volvo Xc90 Inscription PRO T8 AWD in sleek black. This luxurious estate boasts a 2-litre engine and runs on petrol plug-in hybrid electric fuel, making it both powerful and eco-friendly. Packed with comfort and safety features like air conditioning, satellite navigation, collision avoidance braking, and lane departure warning, this vehicle ensures a smooth and secure ride every time. With stylish chrome accents, roof rails, and a sunblind, the XC90 combines sophistication with practicality. Rest assured with features like anti-corrosion warranty and smart card entry. Our vehicle undergoes a full health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer specs, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. For more information, call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie today. Drive in luxury and peace of mind with the Volvo XC90.